Okay, so this is parallel foam rolling. If we've given you this exercise, or if you need this is probably because you have a kind of tight chest. You keep your shoulders rolled forward. So what we're going to do, we're going to throw the foam roller on the ground here, and we're going to lay down long ways on it. So our spine is flat against the foam roller, knees bent, feet on the floor, and then you're going to bring your arms out. So keep arms straight. You're trying to get the back of your hands flat against the floor, and then you're searching for tightness. I can't really explain this to you, but just work your arms kind of at 180 degrees in all ranges, and you're searching for a tightness here in your chest, at your shoulders, and you may even feel some nervy, burny stuff here at the top of your hands. Once you find where you need that stretch, you're going to play with it and kind of roll to the opposite side. So right now, if I roll to the right, I feel that stretch get more intense over here on my left hand. Roll left, I feel it more on my right hand. You're just going to work out that tight feeling, that tension down your arm.